Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Morning, everybody. Morning. How are you this morning? I'm fine, thanks. And you? Fine, thank you. Okay, before start study, please to the chairman, let lead our prayer.
Before we start to study, let's play together. Finish.
Before we start study, I want to always remind you to always follow the health protocols, like using mask, and then wash your hand, and then also please keep social distance. 1 meter minimum. How do you think? What is the picture is about? Luring class. Okay, luring class. Good. I have some questions to you. The first question is, what do you think about COVID-19 in terms of our learning process? Okay.
I think COVID-19 indeed affect many aspects in terms of our learning that we cannot go to school and learning process like usual.
Okay, good. Give applause. And then, what about the questions? What do you think if I say that luring is more attractive than it? You. So, can you tell me in English? No. Okay, you can guess what we are going to learn for this morning. Okay?
Tentang tidak persetujuan, Miss.
Okay, good. So, for today, we still discuss about asking and giving opinion, but special focus on agreement and disagreement. Okay, this is our title for today: expressing, asking, and giving opinion, agreement, and disagreement. Okay, before we start to study, I want to explain you about our learning objective. So, at the end of our discussion for today, I want you will be able to know about 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you see that? Okay, good. This is for your assessment. I will take your assessment from first effective. So when you are in discussing, you should have a good behavior. And then the second one, cognitive, and then psychomotor. Can you see that?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, good. Okay, before start study, I want you to watch this video. And after watching the video, I want you to answer this question. The first, what kind of information that you get from the video? And then the second one, what expressions are used related to our material that's on the video? Please watch the video.
Hello everyone, we're the student ambassadors of Ryerson University, and we're here today to talk about the pros and cons of online learning. We're going to be discussing the things we like, things we don't like, and advice we have for students.
Like a meter away from me. That's such a huge pro for me right now, just because I used to commute, and being able now to wake up like 15 minutes before a class starts is so much better than having to wake up like 2 hours before a class starts.
I agree with you. I'm not a morning person, so it's really nice to be able to get, like, even if it's an extra half an hour of sleep in the morning, it really pays off throughout the day. And it's also nice having my home just for also doing workouts, so I'm able to save time commuting there as well.
For myself personally, I'm studying in my room, I'm watching all of my lectures, and I sleep here. So I kind of feel suffocated, and I don't have that separate balance between school and my personal life. So sometimes it can feel a little bit overwhelming.
Yeah, I definitely agree with that. I also do everything in my room, and it just feels like the work never ends. I really miss that distinction between lectures, home.
I'm definitely going to try that because I found it very difficult. So you guys heard it here first, Jeremy's secret, and we're all going to try this now. Make sure to check us out on Ryerson on all different platforms, and we will see you guys next time. Bye!
you, like I said before, answer 2 of these questions based on the video. Okay, you understand? Yeah?
I think the video is about like or dislike of online learning.
From the video, I can get the information about pros and cons of online learning.
Okay, good. As Nella said, pros and cons about online learning. Yeah, this is how to ask the agreement of someone. Rama, can you read?
Asking agreement. Do you agree? Would you agree with? What do you think if?
Okay, so if you want to ask about someone's agreement, you can use these expressions. This is our activity 1. Yeah, I want you to work in group. Yeah, for those the students that say agreement, it means that they are in a group of agreement. And vice when for those the students say disagreement, it means that they are in group of disagreement.
Agreement is
Agreement.
Disagreement. Agreement. Disagreement.
Please find your group. Agreement and disagreement group. Ya, nanti yang salah group will have a punishment. Jadi berdasarkan teks tadi. And then for the second group, this agreement, please find the expression of this agreement based on the text. Okay, good. At the end of the discussion, I want you to share the information.
The expression of agreement that we find from the text are: pertama, I agree with you. Kedua, I think so too. Ketiga, that's good idea, Benny. Yang keempat, that is true, Siti. Dan yang kelima, that's very good idea.
Good, give applause. Yeah. Any question? No. Okay, good. Now, time for the second group.
The expression of our discussion different from the text are the first, I don't think so, and then I don't think we can start now, and the last one, sorry, but I disagree with you.
Give applause. Okay, good. Yeah. In your pair, yeah, I want you to practice this dialogue in front of the class. Please bring your chair. Okay.
Did you read the letter in the paper about smoking? The person who wrote that must be crazy.
I don't think so. I think the government should do everything it can to discourage people from smoking.
Maybe so, but although it's banned, cigarette would do no good.
No, you can certainly make smoking illegal. But the government could prohibit smoking in public areas like cinemas and theaters.
Yes, that's true. Anyway, in most places you can smoke in cinemas, but I don't think so. People should be allowed to smoke on trains and buses, don't you?
Not at all. It's a cold sitting next to someone blowing smoke all over you. If you don't smoke yourself. In this activity, I want you to work individually. Please, you find your own opinion about this topic. That's on your group before in discussion. I want you to make your own opinion. Okay, please, Nathan.
I disagree with this statement because the mobile phone can give the student the information, especially about the material that they will learn. Even more, nowadays the students should any sources before learning material. So the student can search the information that from their mobile phone.
Okay, good. Yeah, very good.
I think so because when using mobile phone even more continuously, it can make the students' eyes healthy.
Okay, yes, ini kelas berapa?
I disagree with this statement because we are using mobile phone where we can contact our teacher or our parents if we have any problem or existential situation.
Okay, good. Good class. So we can use the mobile phone by using the mobile phone in our learning. If I have something accident, we can use mobile phone to call someone to help us. Okay, thank you. Any questions so far?
No, miss.
Any questions?
No.
Before we close our class for today, I want you to complete the material that you can get today.
After following the lesson today, I am able to express my opinion, especially agreement and disagreement.
Okay, from our material today, I can get the knowledge about how to ask and give the agreement and disagreement.
Okay, good, Eliani. For next meeting, next week, we will have a material procedural text manual. So please search the information about this topic. Thank you for coming to class. And before we close our class, you can say Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillahirrahmanirrahim.